everyone, welcome to Discover Natural. Today I'm going to show you how I moisturize my crochet braids. Or crochet twist. These are Senegalese twists that I did, and I flat twisted this section, and all the rest are just in kind of like a small size Senegalese twists. These are, I think, 18 inches long, so they go pretty long down to underneath my rib cage right here a little bit. So this is it. So what I do when it comes to moisturizing my hair, especially the hair that is braided or twisted underneath here, so I didn't cornrow, I flat twisted for easy, less pain. So you can either use water and just lightly spray the water directly on there like that, or you can use a braid spray, or you can use a leave-in. This is a liquid leave-in from Kadima, and what I do is, because the nozzle is so small, I can easily target the area that I want in here. So just take it in there and just target your scalp, and you're being very gentle, people, very gentle. Once you spray it in, you can also add in an oil. For the Kadima, there's always oils infused in it, very good herbal oils that are beneficial for your hair. But if you don't have that and you just choose to use water, you can take a hair oil, and I just usually take a little bit of the oil, and I like putting it to my edges right there, because you know we really want those edges to be cared for. And because this applicator bottle, which you can find information in the description area, I have a link to how you can get this applicator bottle, but it has a teeth right here, so you can easily direct it to where you want on your scalp without actually touching the Senegalese twist. So I'm just putting it right in there directly. And once you do that, what I like doing is I like take my fingers and kind of massaging it through the lines so that the oils will get in there, and also the hair will get a little bit of scalp massage. So after that is done, let's sweep our hair back. It's a lot of hair. There's really not much you do to this section because this is synthetic hair, but I feel that if you think that it's getting messy, let me tell you what you can do. So if you feel that your Senegalese twist is getting frizzy and messy, you can go and get some Lotta Body. This is Lotta Body wrapped meal foaming mousse, or any other kind of mousse that you have, and you can kind of spray the mousse directly on the Senegalese twist, on the braids, or whatever, the crochet. And once you do that, you push it in like this, like press it in with the foam and let it set. Some people will sit under a dryer, but be very careful. If the hair doesn't say it tolerates heat, don't put heat on it, just soak it in and let it be. So this is pretty much how I moisturize my Senegalese twist. Very simple. This is a very easy style that you can wear on vacation, you can wear to the beach, you can wear anywhere. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you guys moisturize your hair when it's in crochet braids. This is my first go around and I'm enjoying every moment of it. Love you guys, and see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos to everyone. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.